Tapos dyan.
Kung ikaw talaga amo na lalabas yun.
Dyan. Dyan.
See that cat? That's the famous cat.
Tapos dyan. Dyan.
That's the most retarded cat ever. Yeah, who likes butterflies and dress up. Yeah, he loves McCormick. He's kind of retarded of liking something like that. Ew, liking
The one-
something.
That is
And,
made by Mark Echo.
It's, ay, bilis commercial tayo. Post. Out sa Kulaman, Crystal, here's now the, commercial. Asa gulaman, gulaman.
Yeah, he's a retarded.
Yeah. he
Retarded.
loves Alta Gulaman.
He likes
Alta Gulaman, goodbye. He loves Okay, here's the Kabir Bastian, Neko-chan.
Koneko-chan.
Tawagin mo, kuya.
Koneko-chan.
Tapos dyan.
Hey, hello.
Tapos dyan.
Oh, come on, you retarded cat.
We're
Respond.
going to upload this to YouTube,
Tapos dyan.
You shameful cat.
This is going to post on YouTube. Go and smile. Walk and smile, you know. Like a model, you know.
Tapos dyan.
You're like a retarded.
Tapos lalagyan natin ang annotation. We're retarded, guys. Bilis na.
Are you retarded or not?
Dyan.
Wala na. Amo ka niyan kapag lumapit sa'yo.
Dyan.
No.
Hindi ka.
Pag hindi lumapit sa'yo, hindi ka
Hindi
amo.
ka papakain dyan.
Wala na, lalabas yun. Pag lumabas yan, hindi ka amo. O, pag lumabas yan, well,
Sarado nyo.
Wala na.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.